Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box unboxing. So I will actually have two of these videos. One I'm going to have today on this Monday, and then one next Monday. I figured I'm going to have Monday as sort of my upload date, so I sort of have a regular schedule. So I do have two mystery boxes, so this will be the first one, and this is the mini. So of course, here's this huge Jeffree Star box that everything came in, but I'm going to be sharing with you the mini one. So I even took notes so I've already opened these and seen what's in them. I've not used anything in them, but I did want to kind of have, if I can talk, I did want to have, you know, what was in the box, the retail prices, and if it was a good deal. So the mini retailed for $25, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I think I was supposed to have like either 3 or 4, but this one had 5, so that's already a plus. And I do love the little, like, you know, the question mark and the Jeffree Star design on it. I think it's cute. I do like it. It looks summery, and this has got the green tissue paper. And then here is the layout of what is inside. So I guess the big thing is, and I have watched some of these Jeffree Star mystery boxes, unboxings, the summer ones. I really like the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I don't know, there's just something about a mystery box that just really appeals to me. It's a way for me to try different products from his brand. So I figured, hey, you know, this is perfect. You know, I can try out stuff. If I don't like it, not that big of a loss for me. So let's get right into it. So first off, I got two of the Jeffree Star the single eyeshadow single eyeshadows. So the first one is in the shade Cute, and it is in this green shade. So let's take it out of here. And it's also, you can put these in a Z palette, and I know in probably the next unboxing you'll see the container that this goes in. You may have already seen it on the other unboxings. So let's just swatch this. I haven't swatched any of these. The only Jeffree Star palette I own is the mini Jawbreaker, and I really love it. The only thing is the colors are so pigmented that they do stain the eyes, so there is that. So you do have to work a little bit to get it off. Now, if I can get the eyeshadow out of the little packaging. So this is what that looks like. It's very pretty. Let's give it a swatch. That's what it looks like. And there it is. It's not really colors I would go for, but I kind of like having stuff in my collection I wouldn't necessarily go for, because it makes me actually want to try it out. So it's pretty. I do like it. Let's see what the next one looks like. I should have got a makeup wipe so I could get this green hint off my skin, but that's all right. So this next one is in the shade Suck, and let's see what this one looks like. This is definitely an orangish reddish shade. So let's dive into and see what this one will swatch. Okay, and they come out of the little things very easily, out of the packaging easily. Got the Jeffree Star stamp on there, and let's give it a go. Very pigmented, and as you see right there, very pigmented. Again, a color I wouldn't necessarily gravitate towards, although I have been using more orangey shades in my look. I'm not wearing any makeup today, so just going bare today. Sometimes you gotta let your face breathe, but that is very pretty. So I really enjoy getting the eyeshadow, so play around with those. And I think I actually have a tissue I can grab. Okay. So, yeah, there we go. So 2 eyeshadow minis. Those retail for $9.99. Okay, that's pretty good. Next up is the gloss, and this is in the shade Peach Price Tag. I love glosses. I used to not be a gloss person, but I have been getting into glosses. I do like the glossy lip look. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. I may actually put this on my lips. I'll swatch it though. That is super pretty. It's peach with a little gold reflective. There it is right there. So pretty. I will definitely use this. And the packaging is super cute, so I do enjoy that. The gloss retails for $18. So that right there has paid for the mini. Well over has paid for the mini. So I will definitely use this. Plus the packaging's super cute. Next is, I believe, the actual exclusive in the mini. And it is in, I should say, it is the Velour liquid lipstick. This is the shade. There's not a shade name where it's the exclusive. And let's open it up and take a look, shall we? So here is what it looks like. I will swatch it on my hand so we can kind of see what it looks like. Does look like a color I would wear, especially maybe in the fall. Oh yeah, that's super pretty right there. And actually the peach price tag is right there, and they would definitely go together. So I have to say, you know, so far I've enjoyed what is in this box. I'm kind of surprised. Everything is super wearable. The gloss I'm super thrilled about. This right here I'm thrilled about. I've not been using liquid lipstick nearly as much, but I feel like this right here I will definitely wear. Looks very universal, so a lot of people could wear this as well too. So the last thing in my mini Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box is the Jeffree Star Automatic Eyeliner. And that's what it looks like in the packaging. And I think that, yeah, that slides right out. So it's an eyeliner. Looks like it's in the shade, is there a shade name on here? Or is it on the whole thing? Money Counter. Money Counter. Interesting. Ooh, it's very green. And where do I want to swatch this at? So that's what it looks like right there. Again, not something I would normally gravitate towards, but I'm glad to have it in my collection. I might actually use it for something. So overall, for the mini, the eyeshadow sticks were $9.99. The lip gloss was $18. The liquid lipstick, the exclusive, his Velour liquid lipsticks run $18, and the automatic liner is $20, what it normally retails for. So overall, that is a great deal on the mini box. So tell me, do you get the Jeffree Star mystery boxes? Are you over his mystery boxes? You don't care about, you're just over him completely? Or are you into the mystery boxes? I would love to see more brands do mystery boxes. I don't know what it is. There's just something about buying something that's a total mystery. I know sometimes people are like, you're just wasting your money. But also, you may be able to get something really awesome. And I feel like I got a lot of good stuff in this box. So with that, I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If not, give it a thumbs down. Hey, totally understand. If you're not subscribed, I would absolutely love to have you here. So just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post videos, which I said Monday will probably be my regular upload date for the next, for the unforeseen future, I shall say. So with that, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.